Now, a quick conversation first with Shivangi Sarda. She's analyst, equity, derivatives and technicals at Motilal Oswal. And Shivangi, thanks so much for joining in. How are you viewing this uptick today? Is this looking like something that will last? And are you creating fresh longs here?
Thank you, Neeraj, for having me. So, yeah, of course, the movement that we've seen in the Nifty indices is spectacular. The comeback of the bulls has given us some sort of a breather, in such kind of a market scenario. But of course, there are positive factors. There has been a good base formation here. Now we are looking at some sort of consolidation here. Not much of a pain point from these levels. But then, yes, of course, we'll have to cross 23,450 levels for it to sustain well. So we are looking at a couple of factors now. Put call ratio has improved, IVs have cooled off, and apart from that, we've seen a lot of call unwinding as well, which has led to this trigger. Now, a good part is that RSI is also turning positive for the Nifty index on the daily frame, which is showing some signs of recovery from these levels. So negation as well as the buying interest, which is emerging, which will continue for the index towards 22,750 marks and with a close support of 22,150 levels. But of course, as rightly, Harsh said that let the rest of the week unwind for it to sustain well.
Right. Okay. Shivangi, thanks. Harsh also joining in. Quickly, your view with regard to, just give us your picks for this afternoon.
Yes. So on my radar is first up is Indigo. This stock has consistently, remained resilient in such kind of a market scenario as well. And of course, when the markets have, given a breather to the selling, this is one stock which is, running first ahead. Now, it has come out of its consolidation zone on the weekly basis, and follow-up is quite strong over here. Comfortably holding above its 50 daily exponential moving averages as well. Now, this stock, we've seen that Indigo has been consistently working on expanding its network, also adding a lot of destinations, working relentlessly to enhance its performance as well. So overall, with a great market share of around about 65%, this stock and this company is poised towards growing. So this is a buy from my side with a target of around 4,900 levels with a support of 4,620 zones. Now, the second pick on my radar is from the steel pack, which is Tata Steel. We've seen that all the steel names are actually doing quite well, but Tata Steel has been one such stock which has been less volatile than compared to others. And from the last 7 weeks, we've seen supports are gradually shifting higher. Volumes from the last 2 days are quite remarkable. Long build-up also can be seen over here, which is confirming the price up move. A good risk reward at these levels because we've seen a steady move and, the fresh leg of rally is just beginning. So 150 is the targets that we're looking at next for this one with a support of 140 levels.
Great. Well, Shivangi, great to have your opinion first up on the show, especially on a day like this. Let's hope is this last, but clearly going by your judgment and the stocks that you've given, there is a bit of a bullish bias right now and really appreciate you joining in and giving us the thoughts. Thanks so much for joining in today.